Welcome to the Cut Golf Course, where breathtaking views meet an unparalleled links golf experience. Routinely ranked in the top 50 golf courses in Australia, the Cut is a very special place to play. Today we're joined by tour professional Catherine Norris, who will be guiding our two amateur golfers, Deepa and Justine, around the course. After lunch in the restaurant, a visit to the pro shop and a short practice session, we're ready to head out.
So we're here at the 12th hole at the Cut. 314 metre par 4, one of the many signature holes here at the Cut. We have trouble right and left, all down the ocean. Couple of ways to play this hole. We can either go down the left chute, which I'll show you, or take on the corner, try and get a little bit closer to the green. So we've got about 125 to go, slightly uphill, slightly into the wind. I'm going to take my 7-iron. Key is here to not go long of the green. We've got hazard right, hazard round the back. Being on the green is just what we want. But seriously, how good is this place? Even if you're having a bad day on the golf course, at least you've got that view to look at. So we find ourselves in a lot of bowls at the Cut, with it being a little bit linksy, a little bit undulating. Around the greens, we can be pretty creative. So I've got 3 clubs with me, a wedge, an 8-iron and a putter, just to show you 3 different ways to play shots around the green here. The key at the Cut is to hit fairways. As you can see, if you miss a fairway, you're probably not going to find your golf ball. If you do, it's going to be very hard to get it out. Here at the Cut we have high-faced bunkers, so we want our bunker shots to be coming out really high and softly. To do this, we're going to open our face right up and be really aggressive with it.
Yeah, I love playing at the Cut Golf Course. It's really beautiful, just surrounded by nature.
I love the Cut Golf Course because no 2 days are the same. Every day is different. You get to see the best of everything here. So come play.
Thanks for joining us at the Cut, guys, one of the most picturesque golf courses in Australia. We even have whales here. If you're in the Mandurah area, please give us a visit.